Dito yung vaccine area. Walk-in vaccination clinic.
Are the three of you together?
No, it's gonna be two of them.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a number. Please put it on your shirt.
Okay, Ashley.
Okay.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Huh?
Right there. I'm gonna check your temperatures in the inside of your wrist, like this. And are you going in with them? Okay. Okay. So then they'll do some screening questions here too. So you can just move up ahead.
Okay, thanks.
Are the three ready to stay? Okay. It doesn't matter.
Thank you.
Oh, did I miss somebody?
I've already
Have you guys been feeling good lately? Yeah. And have you been in close contact with anybody that has had COVID?
No,
No. And have you tested positive for COVID?
no.
No. Okay. And what are your numbers? 261, 260. And are you getting it today?
No.
Ano
This
yung
coming
question?
back. Yeah, because like he got like he's a kidney transplant. He got
okay.
post kidney, so he just wants to know if he's eligible or like it's safe for him to take it.
That'll be a question for the nurses when he gets up to get the vaccination.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will it take long?
Well, just come here for a second.
Oo, tanungin mo muna.
There's no lineup. There's maybe 6 people in front of you guys. Is that too long?
Because my kids are inside.
Oh, okay. Okay, it won't be long. Yeah.
Right. I'll let you both switch out your masks.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
He's got a question for somebody, otherwise he won't be waiting here. He had
Okay.
a kidney transplant and he wants to know if it's okay for him to get it. So would
I will talk to one of them. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bong. Ayan, magpapabaksin kami nito. Ang number niya is 361. Ako naman ang number ko is itong number ko. Asa number ko? 260. Ayan, ang daming pila, oh. Kasama namin. Puro puti ang kasama namin dito. Puro puti. Baka pwede tayong magkasama. Monitoring, monitoring. Oo nga, sandali lang. Monitoring. Nandito na kami sa monitoring area. Ayan. Okay lang sa'yo? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thumbs up. Ayan. Medyo maganda naman, ano lang ang ano. Mabilis lang. Hindi ko nga naramdaman yung pagturok niya ng karayom eh. Sabi mangangalay yung kamay, tapos medyo tatrangkasuhin. Ito medyo nag-aano na yung kamay ko, oh. Bong. Parang nag-aano na agad. Yung parang nag-ground. Ikaw.
Ganun nga.
May reaction na agad. May reaction na agad. Ikaw, Bong, ano reaction mo? Sandali lang. Ito na. I-ano natin to. Ayan. Ang dami-daming nagpapabaksin. Okay.